Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Elementor on WordPress website. First of all, log in, then go to plugins, click add new plugin. Now search for Elementor website here. First plugin that appears is the Elementor website. Just simply click on install plugin and wait for it to be installed. Now click on activate button to activate the Elementor plugin. Now you can see the Elementor has been installed. It will redirect you to the wizard page where you can continue doing the edits to Elementor. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.